Hi guys, and welcome again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some basil buttered potatoes. Here I have butter, I have garlic spread, and I also have a little bit, just about a half a teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to use that to flavor my potatoes. I've already prepared my potatoes. I've cut them up in the shapes that I want, and I am preheating my skillet. And the first thing I'm going to do is add my butter, my garlic spread, and my minced garlic to my pot, and that is going to melt and get the flavors out, ready for the potatoes to be added. So here I have melted the butter, and I'm now adding my potatoes. And this is an easy meal, guys. All you have to do is toss the potatoes to and fro in the butter mixture, and it will cook. It's good to also cover your pot so that you can ensure that those potatoes get cooked right through. While you're cooking, it's always good to ensure that some sides of the potato gather a little color, like a little golden brown color. And you will see that as I show you, as I stir the potatoes up, you will see that the mixture, the butter mixture is coming to its color. It's becoming nice and golden brown, and that color is what is going to coat some of the potatoes. Look at this, nice and golden brown, beautiful. And while you have it like this, always go in with your basil, just a little, about a half a teaspoon of basil, and you can also go in with about a quarter teaspoon of parsley, fresh parsley. Here you have it. Turn your stove off, and it's ready to be served. Basil buttered potatoes. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.